guys, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking to make a good impression in any of your rooms, let me show you what you need. I'm literally obsessed with this round mirror by NeuType. This is the 32-inch one, and I was looking for two things in particular. I wanted it to have a clean design and that it was big enough. I love the fact that it has a clean frame. It's gold, it gives it this boho look, and at the same time it's simple and elegant. It has everything I was looking for. I also appreciate that this is very easy to install. You're going to see the high quality of this mirror right away. I love that they've added a shatter-proof membrane to prevent it from breaking, and I really like that this has a high quality HD glass with no distortion. This color is beautiful, but if you're looking for a black or silver, they also have it. I also appreciate that this is big enough where my husband and I can get ready at the same time without having to fight over the mirror. NeuType has a variety of beautiful modern boho decor that I highly recommend you to check out. This round mirror by NeuType is beautiful. I highly recommend it. I've been loving it, and I know you will too, and that is my point of view.